doesn't seem right. You say, and I keep getting in the way. Whenever we try to have a plan, it's always be a way. It's so hard to say, but I gotta do what's best for me. You'll be okay. I've got to move on and be who I am. I just don't belong here. I hope you understand. We might find our place in this world someday, but at least for now, I gotta go my own way. Hey, what's the word? I wanna leave it all behind, but I get my hopes up and I watch them fall every night. Another